name's Chad Whitefield. Welcome to another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 522. We're going to start off here in the kitchen today. First we chose the chocolate cabinets, which are very beautiful, and we decided to contrast them with the white appliances and complement it with the HD laminate countertops, which are very beautiful. This model also has a rolling island. As you can see, you can move it anywhere in the space. And then you can also even push it out on the patio and have a nice lunch or dinner out there. We have a nice sized entertainment center with the HD laminate countertops and plenty of storage space for all your personal things. And look at the space that you have here in this living area and the beautiful clear story windows. Moving to the back of the home, you can see there's a great space here for your stackable washer and dryer and a beautiful cabinet that you could use to put your Keurig coffee maker, or better yet, even a wet bar. The bedroom actually holds a queen size bed. You have plenty of closet space for your hanging clothing, and the doors actually have mirrors, so it even makes the room feel a little larger. The bathroom has a stand-up shower and HD countertop, and plenty of storage for any of your toiletries. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. I'm Chad Whitefield. Please like and share our videos, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions you might have.